Magnetism and Electricity, Video 4, Investigation 3, Advanced Connections. Hey, it's Nick Kapoor from the Winship School again, continuing the video series for the FOSS Magnetism and Electricity unit. The focus of this video is going to be on Unit Investigation 3, Advanced Connections, which is broken into 3 parts, and according to the teacher's guide, should take you between 3 and 5 teaching sessions of 30 to 60 minutes each. These are the student learning outcomes for the investigation, and again, you can see them at the Science Department Weebly site. For this entire investigation, students will be using circuits to light multiple light bulbs simultaneously. You can continue to use the circuit materials bags that you set up during investigation 2. As long as you and the students have maintained the materials bags from lesson to lesson, you should only have to add a couple more wires, light bulbs, and holders to each bag. For part 1, you just need to add one more wire, light bulb, and holder. In part 1, students will create a circuit that they think will light 2 bulbs at once. Students can make a prediction again, but this time the prediction will be in the form of a schematic diagram. After students test their ideas, you'll introduce them to the vocabulary word series circuit, which is a circuit in which there's only one pathway for the energy to flow. Students will notice that when 2 bulbs are lit in a series circuit, they are dimly lit. They may be dim enough where students don't even notice that they are lit at all, but it's important to have them look closely and discuss ideas for why this happens. Students may suggest, or you may encourage students to try using 2 batteries to see what happens. If you've gone through the whole thing before about energy needs to come out on the negative side of the battery, but into the positive side, students may have an easier time thinking about the placement of the batteries in the circuit. In part 2, you can challenge the students to make both bulbs light brightly using only one battery. You can even tell them that you know of 6 ways to do this, so they should try to assemble the circuit components as many ways as possible and draw the schematic diagrams when they find a way to light both bulbs brightly. You'll introduce the vocabulary word parallel circuit for when a series splits and goes to 2 or more components. In the Google Drive folder, I've included this vocabulary sheet that I use for everyone, but especially for our ELL and SPED population to distinguish between series and parallel circuits. I found that students like the challenge of trying to find all 6 parallel circuits that can light 2 bulbs brightly with one battery, even if I need to give some hints. In part 3, students will try to determine which kind of circuit, series or parallel, would be better to light a string of lights. They should find that parallel is better because in series, if one bulb goes out, they all will, and also one battery cannot light several bulbs brightly in series. In parallel, one bulb can light several bulbs brightly. This is another part that might be skipped or used as an extension if you're running into a time crunch. If you choose to do this part of the investigation, the kids seem to like it if you bring in a real string of lights to demonstrate, and see if they can determine if the store-bought lights are in series or parallel by taking out one of the light bulbs. That's it for Investigation 3, Advanced Connections. In the next video, we'll cover Investigation 4, Current Attractions.